Can you guess the fast food restaurant? Five Guys. Guess the correct restaurant? Subway. Guess the correct restaurant. Taco Bell. Guess the correct restaurant. Well done, it's Chipotle. Guess the correct restaurant. The answer is Domino's Pizza. Guess the correct answer. Correct, it's McDonald's. What's your best guess? Firehouse Subs. What's your best guess? Pizza Hut. What about this one? Panda Express. What's your best guess? Well done, it's Dairy Queen. Guess the correct restaurant. The answer is White Castle. Guess the correct restaurant. Correct, it's Starbucks. What's your best guess? Burger King. Guess the correct answer. Church's Chicken. What about this one? Carl's Jr. What's your best guess? In-N-Out Burger. Any ideas? Popeyes. Any ideas? The answer is KFC. Any ideas? Waffle House. Fantastic. Any ideas? The answer is Applebee's. Thank you for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.